Hello, 안녕, this is Yuhi from One Eye Beauty, the place when all the Korean beauty info in one eye. One of the most asked questions on this channel is what is the best Korean moisturizer for glowing skin? Whether your skin is dry, combo, mature or super sensitive, everyone wants that radiant glow at the last touch of the skincare routine, the moisturizer, right? So, which is the best one to get there? For this, I thought I better share this essential tip you need to know when choosing a moisturizer for glowing skin, no matter your skin type. If you want that glowing skin, you do not want to miss this. And make sure to stick around as towards the end, I'll be sharing my top tip on how to supercharge your moisturizer. I'm over 40 and suffer from severe dry skin, so you can trust me on this. So, are you ready to glow? Before we kickstart, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to show some love and support. 감사합니다. Thank you so much. What I'm about to share is essential for all skin types, especially for mature skin or troubled skin types with damaged skin barrier. So make sure you listen well if you think you're one of those. Think of your skincare as your overall health. Just like our body needs water, so does our skin. The key is keeping your skin barrier healthy by locking in moisture with the right ingredients. Let's talk about the outermost layer of our skin called stratum corneum. This layer acts like a protective shield. It's often compared to a brick and mortar structure. Skin cells are the bricks and the mortar is a mix of ceramides, cholesterol and fatty acids. These three are essential for a strong, healthy barrier. Ceramides, these are crucial for locking in moisture, soothing irritation, and boosting collagen production to keep our skin supple and youthful. Cholesterol, another important component to maintain our skin elasticity and overall health. Fatty acids, these help to reduce inflammation and are essential for healthy skin barrier. As we age, we naturally lose these essential components. Study results show that starting at age just 20, we lose 10 to 15% of ceramides every 10 years. This is why it is crucial as we get older, you must use a moisturizer containing these ingredients to replenish what's lost. Ideally, the ratio of ceramides, cholesterol and fatty acids should be 3:1:1, which is the most effective formula commonly used in creams to treat eczema. But even if you don't have eczema, this is the perfect ratio to keep your skin barrier healthy. So by now you'll be wondering, what can I use for that perfect balance and glowing skin? Well, I've got two Korean moisturizers with me today, packed with ceramides, cholesterol and fatty acids to strengthen your skin barrier for that healthy glow. Before I start sharing these products, I just want to remind you, aren't you forgetting something by the way? Did you know that only 17% of my viewers are subscribers? If you find this channel helpful and you think it deserves more subscribers like this wonderful subscriber has claimed, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't already. 감사합니다. Thank you so much. The first cream I want to show you is AESTURA Atoll Barrier 365 cream. This cream got reformulated earlier this year and I know that there has been some mixed feedback, especially because they added niacinamide and the texture has changed. I know that not everyone is a fan, but I personally think the reformulation has improved this cream. Previously, this cream only had a ceramide derivative called, okay, this is a difficult name over here, so bear with me guys, hydroxyl propyl bispalmitamide MEA, which is a synthetic ceramide. This acts similar to natural ceramides by helping to strengthen skin barrier and retain moisture. In the new formula, they added ceramide NP, which is another synthetic ceramide, which is nothing bad. In fact, it's plant-based and vegan-friendly because natural ceramides are derived from animals. So this is more ethical in my opinion. So they increased the amount of ceramides in their special derma on capsule technology. You can see the tiny capsules as you apply the cream and they absorb instantly into your skin, delivering those key ingredients where they are needed most. I know some of you are wary of niacinamide, but it's such a powerhouse ingredient. It's good for skin brightening, anti-aging, and it controls sebum production. And this also contains amazing ingredients like squalene, which is a skin conditioning ingredient that naturally absorbs well into the skin. And what's so great about squalene is that it helps other ingredients to absorb better into the skin along with it. And this cream has allantoin to soothe irritation, silica helping to absorb excess oil, and tocopherol vitamin E for extra soothing. I personally love the new formulation. It's slightly richer than the old one, much more moisturizing, and helps to strengthen my skin barrier. The previous version, I didn't feel it moisturizing enough for my extremely dry skin, but the new one, I'm obsessed. If you're still not convinced about this new version, I have another Korean moisturizer I can recommend for you over here. P.Calm Cato Cream. I absolutely love this cream as well, packed with similar ingredients as AESTURA Barrier Cream. What I especially like about this cream is that it's formulated with Cato Barrier Complex, which includes ceramides, cholesterol, and fatty acids in that perfect 3:1:1 ratio, the golden ratio to keep your skin barrier healthy. This cream has a lighter texture than the AESTURA Barrier Cream and absorbs instantly. I think this is a better fit for combination or oily skin types. The ingredients are quite similar to AESTURA cream with niacinamide, allantoin, silica, tocopherol, and squalane, plus macadamia and sunflower seed oils for extra moisture and anti-inflammatory benefits. It's perfect for those looking to strengthen their skin barrier without feeling too rich or greasy. This is also slightly cheaper than the AESTURA Barrier Cream, so it's another great option. If you've tried all these creams and still feel that your skin needs more moisture, I have a top tip for you. Try adding a few drops of jojoba oil to your moisturizer. This will give your skin an extra hydration boost. The one I've used is One Thing Jojoba Golden Organic Oil. You don't have to use this product. It can be any jojoba oil in the market, but for those of you who are interested, I'll leave its shopping link in the description below. And if you still feel like your skin isn't getting enough moisture, I'd highly recommend you to use a sleeping mask before you go to bed. One of my all-time favorite is this one over here, Holika Honey AESTURA Sleeping Mask. This is by far one of the most moisturizing sleeping masks infused with a unique blend of honey and AESTURA to help to lock in moisture. This is unfortunately no longer available at Starvana or YesStyle or Olivian Global. Let me know if I'm wrong, but I've noticed that this one you have to look for another retailer. This is one of the products that I am absolutely lost without, so I'd be hunting for this product, yeah? Another alternative could be this one over here, COSRX Full Fit Propolis Honey Overnight Mask. Enriched with 87% propolis extract and natural beeswax, this leaves the skin deeply moisturized overnight. This is like $18, so it's a great budget option to keep your skin moisturized all night. If you like peptides to add extra anti-aging benefits, I'd highly recommend this sleeping mask over here. Mary May Calendula Peptide Ageless Sleeping Mask. This is a lovely gel-like texture infused with 2200 ppm of calendula extract, peptides, and cica extract. I love this sleeping mask. I will be doing a video on my Korean peptide cream recommendations, including this one, where I'll be explaining much more about this and many other amazing Korean peptide creams. So make sure you subscribe and hit that alarm button to not miss out. I also want to remind you all that I have a weekly email newsletter. Every week I share my latest YouTube videos, upcoming updates, and Q&A section where I answer to selected questions left on my videos in more detail. If you want to sign up, simply go into Wanna Beauty website and enter your email address in there, or by downloading any of my skincare guide free gifts. I'll make sure to leave all the links and details in the description below. To recap, whether you're using AESTURA Barrier Cream or P.Calm Cato Cream, strengthening your skin barrier is key to achieving healthy, glowing skin, regardless of your skin type or age. Give them a try and let me know in the comments how you found them. I'd love to hear from you all. If you're interested in shopping for any of the products I mentioned in today's show, all the shopping links and discount codes will be down in the information section below, so go and check them out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next Korean beauty show. 안녕!